this is Richard from Spinner Clean, the home of the Skyvac. Nice sunny day, and I'd like to introduce you to the Skyvac generator, 3600 watt generator. Great piece of kit. It's lighter than the traditional generator. It's 43.9 kilograms, so it's nice, light and portable, and has a nice handle here that we can use to manoeuvre with the wheels here. So it's ideal for if you're on a job and you've got no electric, so it operates independently, so you just take it along and you can then get your power for any of our Skyvacs to operate from. Just like to run through some of the features here we've got with the generator. It has 3,500 running watts. It also operates with like what we call clean power, so you've got low THD, 3% or less or thereabouts. Extended run time as well. It run up to 14 hours with on a sort of 25% load. It's quick, tough, durable, but also here nice features. You've got a nice touch panel that you can work from, so everything there is at hand and in one place for you. It also has an economy mode, so you can save fuel and extend your engine life. Also, it has a wireless remote start or key start, so which is great. So for someone like myself who's aging a bit and wants to save the back, makes things a lot more easier for this machine. Also for personal use, so if you're into camping or something like that, quick and easy, put it in the back of the van and you can take it out to take the kids camping and get all your power from there. So all comes with a 3 years manufacturer's guarantee. It will support all our Skyvac models. So if you're on site and there's no electricity, or if you're doing work with landlords or letting agents or estate agents and they're empty properties and you haven't got key access to electricity, this is the piece of kit you want to use. So you can start powering up your Skyvacs and operate independently. Many thanks, and hope that was useful.